Hi, I'm Yogi Trivedi, a photographer and filmmaker. Editorial photography has been a point of interest for me since the very beginning. It lets you translate a story with independent creative freedom. To get the best results, it's important to have a clarity in vision along with the right equipment. The EOS R6 is a revolutionary camera, adding a whole new dimension to storytelling. I believe Iconic Shots is a combination of the right equipment and vision. The all-new EOS R6 comes with a 20.1 megapixel full-frame sensor, which offers a wide dynamic range, which results in spot-on colors in each and every shot. Handheld shooting is sometimes necessary or a creative choice for a photographer while getting those perfect cinematic shots. The EOS R6 offers 8 stops in body image stabilization, which means I don't have to use an external image stabilizer to do handheld shooting. My regular day usually consists of 8 to 10 hours of work. The EOS R6 being lightweight benefits me tremendously. Even those handheld shots become so much more fun and easy to capture. Editorial shoots allow me to push my boundaries in photography. Difficult angles, however, yield splendid results. The vari-angle touch LCD screen allows me to make that seemingly impossible perspective come to life. Similarly, accurate focus is crucial for any kind of shoot. The EOS R6 is sharp to track the subject's eyes, face, head and body. The camera keeps focusing via head tracking even if the subject turns away. Details are everything they say. The EOS R6 is capable of recording 4K 60p videos with the all-new Digic X sensor. I am able to capture 120 fps slow motion videos in Full HD, which lets me bring out the best aesthetic details. Shallow depth of field is every photographer's favorite, and fast autofocus helps me to get the subject perfectly in focus with a beautiful background blur. Also, the in-camera magnification allows us to accurately see the focus area. Any moment will pass with a blink of an eye. With the high speed of 20 fps in EOS R6, now we can seize that moment and don't miss out on any of precious moments. The images are sharp with high details, which helps me to get my best shots, opening up new doors of opportunities with moving subjects. Balanced exposure is the building block of a photo or a video. The zebra display in the EOS R6 shows if the footage is overexposed, giving me full control and free hand at controlling the exposure and highlight during the shoot. Editorial photography offers an array of colors to play with. The Canon log feature of the EOS R6 is easy to use. By capturing every color at its best, it helps me to bring out the best results in my post-production session. To my heart's content, the old top dial is back, helping me to easily switch between modes. The all-new LP-E6NH battery is extremely efficient and long-lasting on just a single charge. Say a goodbye to low battery issues. The EOS R6 has a dual-slot UHS to SD card slot, keeping it simple and easy to manage the data. The long-awaited feature for most of the photographers. It helps to store the RAW and JPEG separately. Sometimes you miss to capture important moments as they are hard to see with the naked eye. With an ISO range of 100 to 1,02,400, EOS R6 can let you capture images with tech right focus, even with pitch dark situations. With the experience so fulfilling, the EOS R6 has shown limitless capabilities. I can easily say this one of the Canon's best cameras with an incredible image quality and high quality videos. It's definitely bringing in a whole world of possibilities that are enriching for any artist.